So here's a video where I kind of need you guys. I'm wondering where to mount this shelf. My front one is secured by the piece of plywood that's secured into the actual frame of the vehicle or the body of the vehicle. So that's not going anywhere and it's perfect in there. I love it where it is. But this one here, I don't know where to put it. It's snug, as you guys can see, against the back here. I just really don't know where to tie it into the ground here. Do I put a... I don't know where to put it. What do you guys think? As you can see, it's a little bit far away from this. And if I move it over any further, it's going to hit on the tire. Maybe. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know where you think I should mount this. Should I put a piece of plywood across the entire bottom and sink that in maybe? Maybe that's my best option. I don't know. Up in the air at this point. But it's starting to rain. I'm going to remove it. And I might make a actual piece of plywood out for the bottom of this. This might be a really good idea. And then make another piece of plywood that comes across the top. That might be actually a very good idea. So we'll see. I'll keep you posted. Thanks again for watching, guys, and subscribing and your comments.